With Women's Day around the corner, many users have come across a viral Meesho Women's Day gift link promising free gifts and massive discounts. But the big question is it real or just another online trap? After thoroughly checking the link, analyzing its source, and reviewing user experiences, the results are mixed. While the link appears to take users to a page that mimics Meesho's official branding, several red flags raise concerns. First, there is no official confirmation from Meesho about such a giveaway, and legitimate offers are usually announced through their verified channels. Second, some users reported being asked to share the link with multiple people or provide personal details before claiming any rewards, a tactic commonly associated with promotional scams or phishing attempts. Although some claim to have received discounts, there is no verifiable proof that these offers are directly linked to Meesho's official platform. Additionally, reviews suggest that even if users complete the required steps, there is no guarantee of actually receiving a gift, making the whole process seem unreliable. While the link might not be outright harmful, it certainly lacks authenticity, and users should exercise caution before engaging, as sharing personal data on unverified platforms can lead to privacy risks.